Welcome to this quick demo of the automated Flow inventory report solution. Once you import and configure this flow, here's what happens behind the scenes. The flow automatically scans through all your Power Platform environments and identifies every flow that exists, whether it's in development, test, or production. It then collects key details like flow name, owner, creation date, environment, and current status. And the best part? The complete inventory report is automatically delivered straight to your email inbox. No manual downloads, no extra steps. In this demo, you can see how the flow runs. First, it connects to your environments, then gathers the flow details, and finally sends you a structured, easy-to-read report by email. This gives you complete visibility of your automation landscape, making governance, compliance, and monitoring far easier. So if you're managing multiple flows across environments, this solution will save you hours of time and give you the clarity you need. You can get this ready-to-use flow today. The link is available on our blog. Try it out and take control of your flows with just one setup.